Hello everyone, I am 𝐀𝐤𝐢𝐥. Recently, 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥 Group completed its relocation to a new address, so let's take a tour of the new office together. First, we enter the International Sales Center. The International Sales Center is divided into teams for Japan and South Korea, Eurasia, the Middle East, and India. As of the first half of 2024, 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥 has established branches in Japan, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, India, and Canada, dedicated to providing first-class services and products to the global market. Next, let's take a look. The Domestic Sales Center primarily sells E-type LED displays, supports customized LED displays in spherical, hemispherical, ring shape, cube shape, and other designs. On this side are the Human Resources Office, Finance Office, Chairman's Office, General Manager's Office, and Domestic Sales Director's Office, all of which are important functional departments. Let's turn our attention to the display case, which showcases various honors and product certificates obtained by 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥, including CE certification, high-tech enterprise certification, and even specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprises. On this side of the corridor is the Brand Planning Center. The Brand Planning Center is mainly responsible for 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥 Group's domestic and international promotion, creating a strong brand image for 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥. In addition, multiple meeting rooms have been set up for daily meetings and for entertaining clients. 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥 has established a dedicated employee rest area where employees can dine. The multifunctional hall can host afternoon teas and various holiday activities, enriching employees' work life. Additionally, a gym and a prayer room have also been set up. Support for employees' diverse lives is provided. The production and R&D departments are key departments of the company. The production department strictly controls product quality, ensuring that every stage from manufacturing to shipping meets standards, while the R&D department leads the future development of products through technological innovation, enhancing the company's competitiveness. The product showroom at the new office location has also been further upgraded. The cultural wall on this side of the corridor showcases the important stages of 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥's establishment and growth. Established in 2009, entered a rapid development phase in 2015, ventured into overseas markets in 2017, and by 2023, successively established sales teams in South Korea, Japan, India, and Saudi Arabia. And in 2024, we will step into a new stage of development. Every step taken by 𝐌𝐚𝐢𝐥 has been difficult, yet extraordinary. Standing at a new starting point, we will continue to uphold the vision of creating a socially valuable and sustainable international brand that is highly respected, advancing with greater enthusiasm and more determined steps towards higher and further goals.